oxygen level is very calm.
Please subscribe Travelers Fun's channel and like it, share it. This will be the most interesting video of my life, I think, because we are taking the risk
Risk, yes.
to show the particular cave. So guys,
Subscribe
continue.
करो, like करो. अगर नहीं तो पब्लिक जाएगा भाई. Hello viewers, welcome to Travelers Fun, and today I am taking you to one of the beautiful high place where we can see almost the borders of Meghalaya, and then I am going to show you right at my back, that is known as the Karbi Anglong, or popularly known as Balakongor. So we'll be climbing there. Please keep watching, and if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe it and follow the page and like it. So now let's go. So there we are going to climb this. And this is a guava tree. And they're jumping over. There's my Putiba boy, Musi. Hello, Musi.
Hello, hello. Hello, Musi.
Yes, now we are going to Karbi Anglong. Yes, I have been uploading many videos and photos of this place, so you may feel a little bit of saying that I have been watching this video for several times, but not today. I'm going to show you another episode so that we will be going inside the cave, which is very deep. It might take about 2.5 hours, so keep watching. And now we have climbed up to 15% of its mountains.
What's up? Fam, bro.
We're almost there. This is very steep. You can see behind me. And then from here, almost holy moly, we're almost there. Hi, this is Travelers Fun. After a hard climb, we are about to see a beautiful view. Yes, indeed it is, as it says, a beautiful view come after a hard climb. Yes, this is really beautiful, isn't it? So now we will be going right down there to see the cave and to explore, and some of my friends are still there below.
Oh, yeah.
Subscribe pinon lapen like kan isi na pitha athela kali pota de dolo dang bo.
behind me. Holy moly, awesome guys.
This place is heaven on earth.
On top of the mountain, rock mountain, and so many beautiful guys are.
Hello viewers, welcome to Travelers Fun. Today I'm at a very high place. As it says that the best view come after a hard climb. So I have reached here in Karbi Anglong, and this is very steep and very high in it. You can see behind me. And then from here we can see some parts of Meghalaya, like the Umyam River. Yes, that is the Umyam River, as you can see. Wait, I will show you with a back camera. That is Umyam River, which flows all the way from Barapani.
So guys, finally we had a lunch here at the top of the hill.
So we are taking back this thing so that we can dump over here. So we are taking this for recycle of energy, and this will go under 3 feet of the earth. And now we will be going inside a cave. It is very steep, and then it's about to rain on 360-degree sides. You can see behind me. It's all about going to rain. So see you till then. So this is what it means to me.
Let's go.
Hello guys, now we will be going inside the cave. Non nilitum longkuar lo tam pompo la soposi. Longkuar along nilitum kedam ji. Lapu. Arleng o pochi nilitum labang so phone bang e begar lo chuthap jaipo. La penel dak longkuar lo le lo pultang te nilitum phana pe. Non nilitum aberson bom lo. Now we are going down there. It is very steep indeed. You can see there. They are very small, just like ants.
Oh my god.
Halfway, and this is very steep, and I'm going to show you so that even my knees are shaking. Yes, and this is a place very steep,
I'm afraid to.
and they're coming behind me.
What to do? I'm feeling afraid now to go. Hey, boy, lagi with it.
Yes, this is very steep, and this is best in the world. Keep watching. Go. Yes, Kiwa boy is on the way, climbing down like pussycat. Almost there, and Tiva boy is going there. Keep watching. Lang bom tha arling pic khang jang kadam siksak pic like nang pipe dete la hello. Nang subscribe kre dete la hello. Teng rob rob ke kali seta do pa heda. Dei. I have Tiva boy here. इतना मेहनत करके आया है यहाँ पे
वही तो
नीचे तक
इतना रिस्क लिया है।
हाँ।
ये है मेरा और उसका भी शायद
हाँ हो रहा है मेरा दिल में पूरा धड़कन
धक हो
सुन
रहा
सकता है यार। हाँ
वही तो हम लोग ना अभी पहले बार रिस्क लेके आया है।
हाँ, बिल्कुल।
आप लोगों को वीडियो दिखाने के लिए
हाँ।
वो केव वाला।
हाँ।
तो अभी हम जा रहा है वो केव के साइड अभी और फिर भी रिस्क लेना पड़ेगा। फिर भी अभी हम लोग हाफ वे है।
हाँ।
और फिर से उतरना पड़ेगा।
हाँ।
आफ्टर दैट आफ्टर few minutes we'll be reaching to the cave. So keep watching the video guys, and if you haven't subscribed till now then please subscribe Travelers Fun's channel and like it, share it. This will be the most interesting video of my life I think, because we are taking the risks
yes.
to show the particular cave. So guys
सब्सक्राइब करो, लाइक करो, अगर नहीं तो पब लग जाएगा भाई, इतना मेहनत करके आया है, इतना रिस्क Finally, we have reached here, and now we are about to take selfie. Yes, ready? 1, 2, 3, go. So finally, we are going inside the cave. Yes. And so since we are going very deep, we need this and this. Okay?
And Kaibong.
Yes. Kaibong is with me. And then now, ready? All set. Let's go.
And not only that one. Oh, chalk.
Where is our chalk? Yes. And we bought this to mark our way so that we can come back easily in case we be lost. Yes, we are going now. Yes. And that in some pig. Arlo in some o. Ladak menang asa thordum ta dojo. Arnu kujiason. Yes, now we are still on the way. We have come across almost 100 yards. And then here the temperature is extremely a little bit cold. This way is not suitable for the tall people, and we have marked this kind with a chalk so that we can return easily. And then this tree we are taking for safety. Yes. Because this is very steep. This is man versus wild. Wait. Wait, this is really interesting and really hard. I can't get out. Wait, yes, finally. Oh, yes. This place is very interesting. This place is very good. Oh, it looks like a haunted place. This place is really haunted, yeah. Whoa. Yes, we have marked this, and then we will be going down now. Yes, and now we'll be going down. 1, 2, 3, go. Yes, and this is the cave. This cave is very deep. About to go to that, so now I'll be going inside this cave. As you can see, that way I have to go. So I will be showing you after I reach there. Yes, after all here, we are getting fresh water.
And we said, bro, like, oh my God, there is a way. Huh? Isu. Buddy? Okay. So we mark the place.
We have come down. We have got fresh water here, and this is really potable. I'm going to take now.
Oh, बहुत कस्तो कति गर्नु Wow.
Yes, this is the water, and this is potable, and the temperature here is about 10 degrees Celsius. It is very cold. You can see this, the vapor from my mouth. Oh, since we are very hot, since this place is very cold, we might be in lack of oxygen, so now we will be going back. So this is about 45 to 50 meters deep down. Here is about 10 degrees Celsius, and it's very cold. And then you can see the vapor from our mouth when we talk. And now we'll be going back. So when we have oxygen tank, we will be coming once again here.
So we'll be exploring back again.
Yes, of course. Now we'll be going back.
So, Mami.
Yes, this is the we have to go, and then yes, sometimes we have to go up, and then sometimes we have to go down. Yes, this place, it is very interesting.
Rolling and making video is very tough.
Yes, and now we'll be climbing back to this. This is about 10 to 15 meters. It's very blurry, and one man is still waiting on top there. Okay. I have been coming out like these people, and now the time is very short to us. We start to climb down here around 1:30, and now it is about going to be 4 o'clock. So we will be going out now. We might need another 30 to 35 minutes, and then now my battery is going down, so I might not be able to come. Still then I will try. Oh, finally we are out here, and I've got so many marks to show you. Oh, wow. Yes. Oh, yes, I have got some of the marks here. See, Jo, keng ta make do ang lo. Hàng được con mặt non vàng bom lang thao tôm. And finally we came out of the cave. The breathing problem is a little bit critical there inside the cave, and now we can breathe it very easily. Okay, till then, bye.
Oxygen này.
Parise deh.
Parise.